Are you tired of endless cooking or wishing for more versatile kitchen tools? Get ready to transform your meals with the amazing Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker. This powerhouse isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, sterilizer, and more, all packed into one sleek appliance. With 15 smart, one-touch, customizable programs, you can effortlessly make anything, from perfect grains to tender meats, making complex recipes incredibly simple. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, a huge win for any busy household. It's truly a game changer, simplifying your cooking while expanding your culinary horizons, making it the ideal choice for a modern, efficient kitchen. Imagine whipping up dinner in minutes or having perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. That's the convenience the Duo Plus delivers. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best kitchen appliance for 2025, this Instant Pot is an absolute must-have. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Click the Amazon link in the description below to purchase your Instant Pot Duo Plus today. For anyone wanting incredible versatility, efficiency, and delicious results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is hands down the top choice and definitely worth the investment.